Hey guys, Dr. Dave here, and have I got a treat for you. Just got a new package in the mail, and I'll be honest with you, I already ripped this one open. I love doing the raw unboxings on here and just tearing it open in front of you, and sometimes using my big knife or the axe. But this one smelled so good in the mailbox, I had to just rip it open while I was down at the mailbox and check it out. You can't see the logo yet, though. Let me show you this. BlkBox Natural Soap. BlkBoxSoap.com. Let me spell that for you because it's different. It's BlkBoxSoap.com. So this stuff smells amazing. I love it when I get soap in the mailbox. Soap and coffee. That's the two best things to get in the mailbox because it smells amazing. So let me show you what they got in here. So if you're like me, big burly dude, you like to use some nice, amazing soaps to wash all the funk off your body after you've been outside chopping wood, chasing bears, working out in the gym, whatever you're doing, you got to wash the funk off. And so I like some good soaps. And so I try a lot of them. I mean, there's some big names out there that do fancy commercials and stuff, and they got a decent product, but I like to get these from the smaller companies. So this one, do that again. Caribbean Curse. The Caribbean Curse. And so let's see what it looks like. I love the way these look. See, when I run out of good soaps, I end up having to grab the cheap stuff that my wife buys in the pantry. And usually it's like, some woman's thing with lotion and stuff in it. It makes me feel all greasy when it's done. I like this kind of stuff. All right, so let's see. This is my favorite. This is my favorite one. So it's got a little spicy smell to it. Tiger blood. Love the artwork on these. It reminds me of old, there we go, Sailor Jack tattoos. So let's see, tiger blood, hints of fresh raspberry blended with sweet peppermint oil. So it's not a spiciness I was smelling. It's that peppermint oil. That's good stuff. That is good stuff. Replace your processed chemical body wash and unleash the power of the BlkBox. Made in the hand in the USA. That's always a plus. Always a plus. All right, let's read the bottom here. See what they got on the marketing. Lather under running water and apply where needed. And if you're a dude, you've been out working everywhere. You can't go wrong washing everywhere. Rinse off and repeat. Warning for external use only. Yeah. Don't wash your kid's mouth out with this, because if you're going to wash your kid's mouth out with soap, for saying bad stuff, use the cheap stuff. Yeah. So not for external use only. Do not ingest. Avoid contact with eyes. Yeah, guys, if you haven't learned yet not to rub your eyes with soapy hands, then I don't know what to say, but avoid contact with your eyes. Discontinue use if irritation occurs. Now, I have never had that happen with one of these soaps, but, occasionally maybe one of the oils or something in one of these soaps might bother you, but I've never had it happen. But, dude, if you use this soap and you turn bright red, and it gets all weird and you start getting all kinds of blisters and stuff, maybe it's one of the oils or something. Be sure to check the scent, the ingredient description, to ensure that you are not allergic to anything included. Good advice. Good advice. Death to body odor. And this comes out of Temecula, California. I love saying that. Temecula, California. That's the entire. All right, so I got a third one also. This one is called the Dad Bod. Great for washing the dad bod. Now, even if, you like me, you don't have a dad bod, all fat, big belly, all that kind of stuff, it's still a good smell. So, don't disregard it just because of the name. What's the flavor here? Let's see. Sea salt as an exfoliant. Oh, this is one of the ones with grit in it. I love these because it's like scrub. Love these. All right, let's see what else is in the box. I love it when these companies send me extra stuff too. All right, so here's a little business card. Let's see what it says on the bag. Don't let your soap die too soon. Oh, it's instructions for making your soap last longer. Don't leave the soap sitting in water. This will saturate the soap, causing the outer layers to soften and break apart much faster. Don't leave your soap under direct water flow. Same reason as above. Set the soap on one of our soap savers or in a shower caddy. I've got one of those in my, well, actually I've got both of those, soap saver on a soap caddy in my shower. Wet your body. Hey, gentlemen, it's another one of those if you haven't learned by now, but wet your body before you try to put the soap on. Otherwise, it's very difficult. Then step out of direct water flow to lather with soap. Lathering under direct water flow just sends your magical soap suds down the drain. Take your time. Enjoy the ride. Check out that new smooth, clean, hydrated skin. I like it. I like it. And then they sent me some stickers. I love getting stickers. Now, the only bad thing about stickers is that my 16-year-old, he puts stickers all over his desk and usually steals them from me. So I'm going to have to slap these somewhere on the laptop or something before he gets a chance to steal them. I might give him this one, just this one. I'll just tell him, hey, there's no others came with it. And look, this is kind of fresh, kind of new. Now, it's not a huge thing, but it means something. See, they sent me the soap, which I ordered. They sent me the stickers for free, but a magnet. They sent me a magnet. That's pretty cool. First time I've gotten a magnet from one of these soap manufacturers. I like that. And, this would be good. I could put it somewhere where it's going to, I'll put it beside the grocery list on the fridge to remind me to keep ordering some more BlkBox soap. All right, that's it. Just the fancy stuff. Hope you enjoyed this unboxing of my BlkBox soap delivery. I'm going to go hop in the shower just so I can try it out. I'm going to hit this Tiger Blood first because that's my favorite. Now, these others are cool, but that's my favorite. So I'm going to go. Don't want to take the camera in the shower. It's not one of those kind of videos. And so we'll see y'all later.